Well, hello everyone. Let's do a quick review of the mobile game controller for iPhone and Android. It's a wireless phone controller. It's a cheaper version of the nicer one that's like 100 and some bucks. Um, is it the same quality as that? Probably not, but I ordered this from Amazon. I'll leave links in the subscription for a description for it. But you can use it for Roblox, Call of Duty, which I confirmed. I don't really play Roblox, but I do play Call of Duty. I have it on my PC, but I also like to have it on the go as well. Um, we're unboxing it. It came with all the basic stuff. I was happily surprised to see it did come with an actual little bag that you can everything fit in, so you don't have it like stuck in your backpack or whatever you're carrying it in, and it's getting all scratched up. So you can keep it in there and also keep all your components together. Charging it, it uses a USB-C. They say it takes 2 to 3 hours to charge it. It will give you, I believe, 6 to 8 hours of gaming power. It has a 600 mAh battery in it. It's Bluetooth. It came with little bitty like stickers and little things to put on your thumbs, thumbsticks, like to give it different colors, and also keep different and keep off all the growtiness that usually happens with them. There is the actual bag that comes with it. There's the USB-C cord that you get with it. I have charged it. By the time of me making this video, I have now used it for about 3 months. Um, it I like it. I think it works really well. I like the colors that it has on it. I'm able to play my Call of Duty on the go, and I'm much better with a controller, to be honest with you, with Call of Duty. I'm going to use it with I'm testing it with I think it's called an UMIDIGI or whatever, something. This is my UMDIGI. I think it's UMIDIGI, my phone. I'll leave a link in the description. This is my second phone. This is my backup phone. And this is a great backup phone. That's what I really do like about it. It's a great backup phone for me. Not the fastest thing, but it works well. So I'm using it with this. Then what I'm going to use it to do is play Call of Duty. And it took me a minute to figure it out. It's really not that hard. I honestly just didn't look at the instructions as usual. There's many people like me, but it gives you plenty of real estate because this phone is, I think, 6.7. It's got a 6.7-inch screen on it, so it's a fairly large phone, and it fit it with no problem. Got it on, got the lights. I think all the little lights are cool on it. It feels very good in your hand too. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels pretty solid, honestly. So you can also use this with Steam Link, PlayStation, Xbox Game Pass. It's not for Sony PSP games though. Some people still play it, I guess. It connected pretty fast, and like I said, you go into your Bluetooth and connect it that way. It shows up, bam, you're connected to it. You can control different things on your phone. I get on my Call of Duty actual game itself. And set the settings for controller, and I was ready to go, and I started playing it. For Android, you select wireless controller. That's what's going to show up in your Bluetooth. In iOS, it's going to say like DualShock 4 wireless controller in your Bluetooth. um, it's pretty simple. It takes about a minute to set this up, to be honest with you. Just read the instructions. Don't be me. Read the instructions. But this is me playing Call of Duty, and honestly, I do really well in Call of Duty now. I always hated, one of the things I hated is touchscreens for certain games like these. I never do very well, but you give me a controller on one of these, and I'm pretty decent at it. So I really did enjoy playing it with this. I use it all the time. I need to find me another game to use a controller as well that's relaxing and stuff. I can play offline. Um, as well, but there was no delay or anything. I had pretty good kill death ratios with this compared to when I don't use a controller on these games. It says it has like turbo like different features with the controller. I don't know. I didn't use those. You can change the lighting effects on it, but it has cool lighting effects as well on it. I do like that. The battery's pretty solid, and like I said, I've had it about 2 to 3 months now, and I've used it quite extensively. I'll put this one up, and I'll put another one up as well, and so you can make a selection between them. But these don't feel cheap. If they feel really solid, and they can take up a really large phone. So I had no problem putting this 6.7-inch phone in here with no problem. So yeah, but look at that. I'm just playing it and having fun with it. I really enjoy it. Kind of take it with me when I get bored at the hotels and stuff or out camping. I put this on here. Links will be in the description for this mobile controller. And so Click on the links, see if you want this. I'll put the link for this and my phone. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day. Bye.